Are you a parent of a child experiencing autism, ADHD, intellectual disability, or any other form of developmental disability? Are you a parent looking out for answers to so many aspects of developmental disabilities? Then you're at the right place. This channel, Dignity in Disability, will not only help you with these answers, but will also give you a lot of tips throughout to enable to make your child lead an independent life. So stay tuned. Welcome to my channel, Dignity in Disability. I am Anuradha Deshpande, mother of a young man experiencing intellectual disability and also a clinical psychologist, a counselor and a special educator, now a digital coach. Founder of Care and Care Life Skill Academy is on a mission to help and empower 100,000 parents of children experiencing various forms of developmental disabilities to help them navigate into a life of independence and dignity through our Care Life Skill curriculum. Through this channel, we will be bringing out to you twice in a week some of the facts and some of the tacts to various aspects of developmental disabilities. This is from my 30 years of association with disability and disability services. I will bring these through 2 episodes of Tuesday Tacts and Friday Facts. Let us jump right into our first episode of Tuesday Tacts, and today's subject is the 10 benefits of life skill training to children with developmental disabilities. If we learn about the 10 benefits of life skill, I would like you to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you will be the first person to receive notification on the Tuesday Tacts and Friday Facts. And if you stay till the end, you will get a gift worth 5,000 rupees. So let us go right into knowing the 10 benefits of life skill. Welcome back. Life skills are those abilities for adaptive behavior that helps human beings to deal effectively with the demands and challenges of life. WHO has recommended 10 skill activities for all the people, especially school-going children, around this 4 head, that is learning, employability, personal development, and active citizenship. Imagine the importance of life skills when it is emphasized in a very detailed manner by none other than the World Health Organization. When these skills are recommended for everyone, especially school-going children, our children with developmental disabilities cannot be held back. But these skills described by WHO are very complex skills, and this cannot be worked or this cannot be implemented with all the children experiencing developmental disabilities. And why so? Developmental disabilities are neurodevelopmental disorders which significantly limits the functional capacity of these individuals across many critical areas of life, including self-care, expressive and receptive languages, learning, mobility, and also self-regulation, and extends the capacity of leading an independent life and economic self-sufficiency. Not all those individuals experiencing developmental disabilities are fortunate enough to get training in all these life skills. That is the reason I have brought out this Care Life Skill curriculum, and especially the Care Life Skill blueprint, which consists of development across 5 domains. The first 4 domains are often discussed by psychologists dealing in human development, that is physical, cognitive, emotional, and social. Whereas I have brought out this 5th domain of development, which will empower these children with some vocational skills, which will earn livelihood for themselves and their family. So let us see. Under physical domain, we have self-care skill ranging from brushing your teeth to managing puberty. And then you have instrumental ADL, which takes care of your household activities like laundry and then cooking, etc. Under cognitive skills, we cover 4 areas of functional academics, functional training, leisure activities, and health and safety. Safety aspect is discussed in such a great length, which covers like day-to-day safety, working with different gadgets or crossing the road, to taking care of yourself from sexual abuse. So the next comes emotional aspect of development, where we deal with all these headings like self-awareness, self-regulation, self-esteem, empathy, and motivation, which if are taught at a very early level or throughout, then our children will have very fruitful life and they can learn all the other skills very easily. And then we come to social skills, which are very much needed to be a part of this society, especially like social conventions, interpersonal skills, self-control, and community living skills. Then finally, the vocational skill domain deals with how the employment can be, whether it is a sheltered employment, open employment, or self-employment, which can be home-based or individualized based. So all these things are discussed in our Care Life Skill curriculum. Let us now learn the 10 benefits of learning these life skills. First is dignity. When your child or an individual experiencing developmental disability can take care of themselves by taking care of their needs and not depending on anybody else for their day-to-day activities, if they are able to read and write, if they are able to navigate around the city like their neurotypical peers, if they are able to understand others' emotion and put themselves in their shoes and learn to self-regulate their feelings and emotions, if they are able to be a part of the community, and if they can earn a living for themselves, they are leading a complete life which they are entitled to. And this kind of entitlement and this kind of achievement gives them immense amount of dignity. And the next benefit is confidence. When they are able to do a lot of things, they come to know that they are competent enough to do these skills, and they are as competent as their own peers or siblings. This kind of sense of achievement gives them a lot of confidence, and they will be able to attempt other things, and they are ready to accept their inability in so many other fields. This can come out only out of self-confidence. And the third is self-esteem. Self-esteem comes from self-confidence and knowing that what they are and what they are capable of and how they can build their own self-image. These all are taught through this curriculum, and that is the benefit of learning all this life skill. Number 4, to be able to take part in social and community activities. When your child or when an individual with developmental disability learns all these life skills, they are automatically ready to be a part of the society, and they can take part in many of those activities, which gives them a fulfillment, because we are all social beings and we like to be a part of the society. Number 5 is choice making. We assume that individuals with developmental disability won't have their choice. They do have a choice. And if we teach all these skills, then we enable them to make a choice of their own. For example, if you make something for your breakfast and you're a youngster with developmental disability does not like it, they can go and cook for themselves. This kind of ability enhancement makes them very confident, and they are enabled to exercise their choice. They can go to the restaurant they like, they can eat whatever they want, they can dress the way they like, they can make friends whom they like. So exercising choice is a very important benefit to these children. Number 6 is decision making. As we all like to make decisions of our own life, and these children or these individuals experiencing developmental disabilities will also get a chance to make decisions in their life if they are trained through these life skills. For example, if they are injured themselves while cutting some vegetables, they will not wait sitting there pleading for help to come. They will immediately know what to do next when they get hurt, and they will proceed towards it. And this they can exercise across all aspects of their life if they are prepared for that. The next benefit is opportunity. These children get opportunity, equal opportunity in all walks of life. If they learn all these life skills, they can be exposed to many social activities which they are entitled to. They are exposed to many other job opportunities. They get opportunity to take part in many competition, play many sports, and lead a very good life. This opportunity is something they are entitled to, and we can give that entitlement through teaching them these life skills. The next benefit is financial independence. If we can train these children in all the 4 domains of physical, cognitive, emotional, and social domain, all these skills are essential to follow and pursue a vocation. So if your child is trained in these 4 domains, they will be ready to seek an employment and earn for themselves and their family. Next is leading a healthy and safe life. It's important that as parents, we are not going to be around all the time. They should be able to take care of their health, and they should be able to take care of themselves around all difficulties around them. And that is what Care Life Skill Curriculum teaches. And if we teach these life skills to them, they will be absolutely in a position to take care of their good health, hygiene, and also they will be in a position to safeguard themselves from accidents, some injuries, and also from sexual abuse. Number 10 and the ultimate one is independence. If we teach them life skill around all domains, then we will give them a life of independence. They can take care of themselves. They can read and write, basically. They can travel anywhere. They can be part of the society. They can manage their own emotions, and they can earn a living. What else is needed for them to be independent? So 10 and the ultimate benefit is complete independence. Even if they learn 60 to 70% of all these skills, they will be less dependent on others, and that itself is significantly working towards their independent skills. So ultimately, it is independence we are all aiming at, and that is what we should be able to give to them through these life skills. So in conclusion, what I would like to tell you all is that our children with developmental disabilities are very unique and they are talented too. It is the misconception, misinformation, and lack of knowledge of the society that is what leads to their marginalization. But we parents should recognize their learning method and adapt our teaching method accordingly so that we can impart maximum skill training to them. And this is what we teach you in Care Life Skill Curriculum to all the parents and empower them to help their children lead an independent and dignified life. And if you like this video, go and give a thumbs up and share it with as many people as possible. And don't forget to comment below, which will help me learn about your needs and come out with more videos which will be useful to you. All those people who stayed till the end, I would like to acknowledge your commitment to help your children, and I am going to give you a link, and clicking that you can have a free one-on-one with me for 30 minutes. Please book your appointments there. Usually I charge 5,000 rupees, but I'm giving this to you free. Meanwhile, you can also visit my website and also join my webinar, which is due every Tuesday and every Friday. And visit my website www.anuradhadeshpande.com and join my Facebook group, which is a safe space for parents and professionals to discuss various aspects about developmental disabilities. You can share your concerns and problems and also share your ideas and thoughts and also celebrate your victories. So please join. The link for which is given below. That's all for today, and I will see you in my next video of Friday Facts. Be sure to be there.